Hey guys, Todd Membrey here. I just want to thank you again personally for your purchase of the new or used Nissan here at Wendle Motors. I want to show you the service drive today, whether you've already been here or you're going to be coming here for the next couple years. I want to show you the service drive to know exactly what you're going to expect when you show up. On the right here, you got the service bay. You've got 2 doors to pull into. It's Monday through Friday. We are closed on Saturdays. We're out of the Ford building on Saturdays. So I want to show you inside just so you know exactly what to expect. Come on. After you guys pull in here, we've got 3 advisors. We've got Josh, Dodie, and Sean. They're gonna be able to help you out as you can see here in the video. So all you have to do is drop the keys off with them, whether you have an appointment or not. And then you'll come check out where you guys are gonna hang out for a little bit. And then of course you gotta have the popcorn and the coffee. So let's get a little bit of popcorn here. We can see our car being worked on the side here. Now we just sit down, watch TV, and hang out for a bit. After your vehicle's all the way through the shop, we're going to do a courtesy wash for you if you want one, and then your vehicle's ready to go. Thanks for watching that short clip. I hope it's a helpful hint to you guys when you guys come in for service, and always don't be a stranger. The coffee's always on. Come say hi.